thank you for voting me in as your president. And I want to make this very clear. Any opposition that doesn't want to accept defeat, they are not serious. Get them down.
We cannot accept defeat. INEC should provide the original result. To my supporters out there, anywhere you see the opposition party, beat them, fight them, kill them.
Stupid party! Stupid party! Woo! Riggers! If you not rig the election, I know they win. Or Google kill you now. We die here today. If we're gonna we die here.
Congratulations, my president.
Yeah.
But you have to settle me for my loss.
You should trust me. I will shake your ass. I will shake your ass. But what about those people that are fighting and killing themselves?
They should go and die.
No be lie.
Useless citizens.
No be lie. They are not serious.
Yeah. Curse my life.
Yes.
There is God, oh.